A 40-year-old convenience store with 3 automobile service bays initially presented a challenge to Clay and Mia Lambert. With no experience in the C-store industry, the Lamberts bought the Minneapolis site in 2003 and quickly turned that challenge into an opportunity, one that they feel is about to explode. Located on the outskirts of the University of Minnesota, the Lambert site was profitable, but they knew they could do better.
Once we cleaned the place up that we bought, we started busting at the seams with business. So we knew that we had some opportunity that we weren't capitalizing on in the old structure. We worked the old station for 6 years, and we literally wrote lists and lists and lists of things. When I get my own store and I get to start all over, what do I get? I get to do all these things that I never got to do before.
The result is Metro Petro, a 3,500 square foot store that's designed to appeal to female customers with a unique color scheme.
We were in Bulgaria, and we drove right on a bus, and we drove by a European Bulgarian gas station, and it was this color scheme, and it was gorgeous. And I said, okay, there it is.
Unique materials.
A combination on the outside of windows and metal and tile.
And an overall focus on safety and security.
The old station was pretty scary. We had bulletproof glass, and it was pretty dark and shabby and needed paint and everything else. The number one priority was security without it looking tough.
The couple purposely chose a female architect and other consultants with little experience in the C-store industry to ensure that their 2-story store stood out from the pack.
We felt that was a little bit of an advantage because we could step outside of what feels normal or what you think you just have to have because you have that mindset about the way it should be. It was a conscious effort. We didn't want to make it square box, simple.
We wanted to be more to more people, and we knew if we got rid of the garage, we could do that and also build a much bigger, beautiful station here. The market was way underserved, and we saw that, so that's why we decided to do that.
Since opening the rebuilt store in 2009, Clay and Mia have seen a marked improvement in sales and store traffic, and more boosts are expected when U of M's TCF Bank Stadium, located just down the street, becomes the home field for the Minnesota Vikings for at least a couple of years. The growing university campus and the specter of an NFL audience has opened the urban neighborhood to a complete redevelopment.
The catalyst for the rebuild was really the stadium and the university. Once the stadium was funded and approved, that gave us the catalyst. Also, really the bank was waiting for that also. That knew that was going to spur development, property values went up, and development has started, and now it's just booming. There's over $1 billion of approved projects in a 1-mile area right here that haven't been built yet.
It's a 1-2 punch that has served Metro Petro well and promises to continue that well into the future.
We're very, very happy with what turned out here. It was very, very scary. We took on a really big commitment here, building something this big. Some of the materials that went into the building here were over the top, and we believe now, looking back, it was a great investment for us.